Welcome back to another edition of Math Video. In this edition, we're going to examine another strategy for finding outcomes in our actions that we can take dealing with probability. Area models. If we were using the object of a spinner and we were spinning this twice, one possible way that we could list out all of our outcomes is through a counting tree. Following all the paths in the counting tree shows us that we do have a total of 9 outcomes. Or we could take 3 possibilities in our first spin times 3 possibilities in our second spin and also get the number 9 outcomes that way. And here is a tree diagram that would show all the possible outfits one could make with 3 jerseys, 2 different pairs of pants, and 2 hats. But does anybody see any problems with these counting trees, these tree diagrams? Anyone? See a problem at all? And besides taking a lot of time, it takes up a ton of space, too. If only there was a better way. Well, maybe there is. Let's analyze this little situation of a match game. So in this game, you'll pull out one marble, see what it is, put it back, pull out another marble, and see if you get a match. If you get a match, you win. If you don't, you lose. So what's the probability of winning? Let's analyze it and figure it out. So this time we're going to use an area model. Going across the top, we are going to list our first action, the first draw, and there are 5 possibilities, so we have 5 columns. And going across the side, we'll list our second action, which is the second draw. And we have the same 5 possibilities here because all 5 marbles are back in the jar, so we have 5 rows going across. All we have to do now is just match up our first draw with our second draws in the corresponding boxes, and we have all of our outcomes.
Excellent. Absolutely excellent.
And there they are, 5 possibilities times 5 possibilities, 25 possible outcomes in all. And where are our matches? There they are, all 9 of our winning outcomes right there on our area model. So our probability of winning is 36%. So hopefully you can see the advantage of an area model over a counting tree or tree diagram. A tree diagram with 25 paths would take up a lot of space. It would take a very long time to make. An area model is much smaller, much more organized, easier to make, faster, and much more usable. So next time you're considering a strategy on how to find the outcomes of something, you might consider an area model.